how are you? This is Angie from FLOWXCONTROL. Our FLOWXCONTROL concept is to be easy to be excellent. Let me show you our company. FLOWX is an Italian brand to specialize in motion roll for 20 years since 2000. All of these years, in 2018, our sales turnover has been up to 18 million dollars. Our factory also up to 25,000 square meters. Our products have been widely used in many applications such as like this: power paint project, water treatment project, food nutrition project, and the marine project. Here is some samples in our showroom for reference. You can see some quality and product. And our product have been for 5 series. This is our butt oval series and butt rival series and control series, pneumatic actuator series, and electric actuator series. And we also have some authorized certificates like SGS and CISO and BV certificate. Here is our VIP customer showcase. They are very big, famous engineer company. I'm going to show you the first workshop. Okay. Show me. This is the first workshop for instrument educator. You can see our workshop is very educative. Totally, we have 4 workshops. We are much grateful and 4 more workshops in another direction. Here, another workshop is over there. So there are many vocal and bass rival and vocal. Okay, let's come to visit us. See you next time.